Hello traders, welcome back to Quantpower. Today, we are going to talk about our newly launched Algo trading tool. We have recently added a new feature to the Algo trading tool, re-entry. First, let's log into our Quantpower account. To access the Algo trading tool, let's go to Algos and select option Algos. Here, we can create automated time-based strategies easily. Let's add a new strategy. We will select Nifty as our index and set our expiry date and lots. Now, let's add a call sell and a put sell with a 10% stop loss on both sides. For exit leg, we will select exit all. That means if one leg stop loss is hit, we will exit both the legs. With this new feature, you can choose to re-enter a trade after your target or stop loss is hit. You can select one or both legs to initiate a trade when the stop loss is hit. You can also set your targets according to your preferences. Next, let's set our time until 3:30 p.m. and give our Algo bot a name. We will select the days of the week we want to run it and choose our broker for live trading. Now, simply save it and you are done. Whenever the criteria are met, your trades will be taken automatically without any further action from you. No need to sit in front of the screen for hours. This new feature makes trading so much easier. Thank you for watching. Trade hassle-free with Quantpower's Algo trading tool.